In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a jungle text effect in Canva. This style uses layered leaves, shadows, and moisture details to make your text look like it's sitting inside a rainforest. Start by opening a new design and choosing a dense tropical background. Search for palm tree leaf or tropical leaf, then set the image as your background. Add your headline using a bold, chunky font so it stands out against the busy textures. Place it at the center, then begin building the jungle around it. Go to Elements and search for palm tree leaf, leaf shadow, and water drop. Drag leaf graphics onto the canvas and layer them behind the text. Use position to send them backward and keep the text on top. Rotate and scale the leaves to frame the message. Add leaf shadow graphics to create depth and a natural, dappled look. Lower their transparency so they blend softly with the background. Sprinkle small water drop graphics around the leaves for a fresh, dewy touch. Adjust their transparency for realism. For a more advanced look, use the Type Cutout Pro app to place leaf textures inside your letters. Choose an image with clear detail and position it inside the text until each letter looks balanced. Finish by fine-tuning the layout. Make sure the left and right sides feel even, the shadows look natural, and the text stays readable. With layered leaves, soft shadows, and subtle water drops, your jungle text effect will look immersive and polished.